Why are logs and traces key to reproducing bugs? Imagine trying to solve a mystery without any clues. That's what debugging can feel like without logs and traces. They are the detective tools that help you piece together what went wrong. When a bug happens, logs are like a diary of everything the system did. They record messages about errors, warnings, and system states with timestamps. This helps you see exactly when and where the problem appeared. For example, if your app crashes, logs can show you the last actions before the crash and any error messages that popped up. They help you find patterns or repeated issues that point to the root cause. Traces go a step further by showing how different parts of your system work together during a request. Think of a trace as a map that tracks each step a request takes across various services or functions. It records each operation with start and end times, giving you a timeline of events. This makes it easier to see where delays or failures happen in complex systems. For instance, if a user's request takes too long, traces can reveal which service or database query caused the slowdown. They also show how different components influence each other, which logs alone might miss. Together, logs and traces give a full picture. Logs tell you what went wrong and when, while traces show you the path that led to the problem. By combining these two, you can recreate the exact scenario that caused the bug. This is essential because it allows you to reproduce the bug in your own environment. Without this, fixing bugs can be like guessing in the dark. In everyday debugging, you start with logs to catch errors and get a general idea of what happened. When you find suspicious activity, you can then turn on traces for more detailed information. This way, you don't drown in data but get just enough detail to understand the flow of events. Using logs and traces together makes fixing bugs faster and more accurate. They give you the context, timing, and sequence needed to understand why a bug occurred and how to fix it. That's why they are so important in reproducing bugs effectively.